Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches in screen recordings. So first let's launch the settings, and now we should scroll to display section. Then scroll a little bit down and tap to screen record. Here you'll see the records touch points switcher. Just to switch on screen touches, click once on the switcher, and just to turn them off, you should click on the switcher once again. And that's it. Also have the second way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. So first let's open the notification panel shortcuts, and after that we should find screen record icon. Just here hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll launch the screen recorder settings. And now just to activate or turn off the screen touches in screen recording, we should use the switcher. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.